Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your username on Valorant. So first you launch the game, and after you log into your account you just click on this icon on the top right corner. Here you will see the option account details. You click on it. They will ask you to sign in. I'm going to sign in. After you sign into your account, they will send you a verification code to your email linked to this game. You just go to copy it here and then you access. After you enter the verification code, you will find yourself in this interface. So here you will find all your information related to your account. So for example, we are going to change the username. So let's change it from this to this. And after that, you just click save the changes. And now your name is officially changed. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.